Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you and show you how you can create a page and also a table within that page in the Plane project management application. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your project in the Plane project management application, and instead of selecting work items, select pages here. Navigate to the page you would like to customize, and I will go with the test page here. So as you can see, I created already such a table here. So if you'd like to add a table, a completely new table, guys, click into that space here below where you can enter your commands, or simply use that button in your top right corner, table, click into it, and after that you will see that table. You may, for instance, change its position, or you may add more columns and rows by clicking into these plus buttons, just like that. You may resize these cells, and you may also click into these three dots here, for example, and customize each row and column by assigning a background color, by inserting columns and rows above, below, duplicating, clearing the content of these cells, and delete the given row entirely. So that's one way we can do it, guys. Option number two would be to click into that line here and to enter the command / and then table. It suffices if you simply enter the first two letters. As you can see, select table as a suggested command from that list below, and that's it. That's how you add a table to your page in the Plane project management tool. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.